Coming to an event like this, you realize that you are part of a community. Like the Fusion 360 community, the machining community, and this is the place that it comes together in a way that I've never seen anywhere else before. And being over 3 days and 3 nights, you're not just saying like hi, goodbye to people, you're actually building relationships that matter and will serve all of us in the future.
This event isn't a trade show, and I would say it's even more than a conference. It's a bunch of like-minded people that are getting together. We have expert presentations, and people are actually here to learn and to share their experience and their knowledge.
My favorite part about events like this are always just getting together with this growing community of Fusion users and young entrepreneurs, young machinists, old machinists who have been using Fusion. The whole community is really strong and it's growing.
So this is the first DSI Summit that I've been to. It's actually the first event in the general manufacturing industry that I've attended, and so far it's been fantastic.
It's a big enough event for there to be a lot of variety, but not too big that everyone kind of gets lost, so you get to really know people.
It's a real who's who of the industry here, from the technical side, the social media side, just to people who are running really good and exciting workshops.
Well, the way the sessions are broken up through the day meant that you could go out, step outside and discuss what you've just listened to, either with the presenter directly or as a group.
This to me is, I think, the greatest density of Fusion experts I've ever come across on the planet. It's the greatest amount of learning that I've ever managed to do in a short period of time on not just like what the current state of the art is in CAM, but what is coming up.
There's a lot of content online, and frankly, a lot of the people who are producing content online are here, but it's the face-to-face time, being able to ask the personal questions and get to know who those people are that really make it kind of worth doing. As this software evolves, the future events are going to be incredibly helpful as well.
This has been a blast, both from meeting new people, learning really interesting things, and getting to travel, being here in California. It's been a really cool event.
I'm coming back to the DSI Fusion Summit next year. And next year I intend to bring multiple members of my executive team as well, because there is so much to learn here.